Why dishwashers? Dishwashing is a pain we are all familiar with. Takes too much time and effort. A day's worth of dishes in an average 4-membered household can take 2 hours and sometimes even more. And even after the effort, it is common to find stains and residues on dishes that have been washed. In times when we are extra conscious of hygiene, worrying about our dishes is even more important, for it directly impacts our health. If one is washing glass cutlery, there is the constant worry of breaking it. If we generally depend on domestic help to do our dishes, it needs constant monitoring for detergent and food residue. Then there is the added chore of wiping the dishes, or wait for them to dry after they are washed, or they stay piled up for hours. Well, it's time we stop fretting and do our dishes better with Godrej Aeon dishwashers. It is ideal for Indian cooking with space to wash up to 91 utensils and cutlery at a go, including large pressure cookers, kadhais, topias, tawas, all typical Indian cooking utensils, as well as expensive dinner sets and wine glasses. It comes with advanced steam wash technology, UV ion technology, turbo drying, hygiene 70, and a lot more, which ensures your dishes are squeaky clean, residue and germ-free, and come out dry cleaned. You can wash different kinds of materials easily: steel, glass, ceramic, porcelain, melamine, and dishwasher-safe plastics. It can also wash good quality Teflon-coated non-stick cookware, as well as dishwasher-safe plastic or silicone cookware that have a dishwasher-safe sign. Choose your wash program with a click of a button and save yourself time and effort. No more scrubbing, washing, drying. What's more, you even save water when you use a dishwasher. Many such small and big things make Godrej Aeon dishwashers the right choice for you. But first things first, how does one decide which dishwasher to go for? To select a dishwasher, the first thing you need to evaluate is the capacity. Think of how many people are there in your family, how many times in a day will you wash utensils. Dishwashers are measured in place setting. A 13-place setting is ideal for families of 6 to 7 members, and a 12-place setting works well for families of up to 4 to 5 members. One-place setting consists of a dinner plate, dessert plate, single glass, soup bowl, knife, spoons, and fork. Let's see exactly what 12-place setting means and how is it different from 13-place setting. As you can see, we could load 91 utensils and cutlery in a 13-place setting dishwasher and 84 utensils and cutlery in a 12-place setting dishwasher. Apart from looking at the basic need, you may want to look for some features that can do your dishes better. One major concern while purchasing a dishwasher is whether it is Indian cooking friendly. Indian food preparation includes oil and spices which generally stick to the bottom and makes the utensils greasy. Godrej Aeon dishwashers not only fight stubborn oil and Indian masala residue, but also provide added benefits like steam wash technology that softens the most stubborn residue and fights germs with steam power. Godrej Aeon dishwashers also come with UV ion technology wherein UV eliminates bacteria and disinfects the dishes. Also, built-in ionizer removes odor using negative ions. The hygiene levels of Godrej Aeon dishwasher mean that you can also easily sterilize baby bottles and baby dishes. Godrej Aeon dishwashers offer turbo drying technology. It draws out moisture and hot air from the dishwasher cabinet, resulting in most efficient drying performance. Godrej Eon dishwashers also come with auto door open feature, which opens the door during drying cycle, allowing fresh air to come in and dry the dishes further. To ensure a perfect wash every time, Godrej Eon dishwashers are powered by a smart wash technology. Special turbidity sensors detect the amount of particle matter in water and adjust the temperature, duration and amount of water accordingly. Direct wash function can be used for difficult to access residue in utensils like feeding bottles, glasses, etc. Triple wash function uses 2 extra sprays at the back of the machine to effectively wash hard soiled utensils. Godrej Eon dishwashers are also equipped with Dual Pro Wash mode that allows for one wash to be cleaned at 2 separate water pressures, wherein you can load heavily soiled utensils in the bottom rack and delicate ones like glasses in the top rack. Powered by efficient BLDC inverter technology, Godrej Eon dishwashers save water, energy and time and also deliver a more silent wash. Also, Godrej Eon dishwasher can wash dishes in as low as 9 liters of water in eco mode. Dishwasher is a new product in India and hence service and maintenance of this product is not widely understood except by those who are well trained. Also, genuine spare parts availability is critical for trouble-free operation. Hence, it is advisable to choose brands which have a robust service infrastructure and are known to deliver superior service experience.